So good evening to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about HFCL share. So we know previously when we discussed about this particular stock, we basically mentioned two important things. So first one was related to the stock coming back to equity segment. We know earlier it was trading in BE category. So there we know circuit limit used to be restricted and followed by intraday trading was not allowed, and some problems used to be present for stocks which are in BE segment. But after coming out of that category in Telegram also I have mentioned clearly it is a positive thing. And second most important thing was related to the quarterly results. So we know the company has provided some very good numbers both quarter on quarter basis and year on year basis as well. It has showed some very good increment. And apart from that, we also know that it has received some very good orders, whether it may be related to Railtel, a government company, so which is not a joke, because these type of companies getting orders from that many big companies. So it is something which is very positive with respect to fundamentals. So everything was looking good, and many people expected since 2 days only the stock will start giving upper circuits, but finally after settling for a while, so today we have seen some very good movement. So starting we can say roughly for 1 hour I guess the stock was trading normally. So after that we have seen some good increment in volumes and it has maintained the upper circuit till the closing. Okay, so now let's try to compare the day-to-day wise deliveries, and we'll also see what will be the next possible levels the stock will be approaching. So make sure you're watching the video till the end, and if you're new to the channel then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified, and most importantly do join the Telegram group. I'll provide a link in the comment section. Okay, so before moving towards HFCL, so yesterday's stock that we have discussed for short term was Mindtree, and have discussed yesterday before the closing time roughly around 3 o'clock. I have told when it was trading near 4,300, and after that today you can see more than 12% return was generated from Mindtree. So like this you can also learn something new related to the market if you're a beginner. So do join the Telegram. So both for short term and knowledge basis you will definitely be benefited. Okay, so moving towards the day-to-day wise delivery. So now clearly we can understand how much actual volume is being traded in the stock. But if we go back 2 to 3 days back, so when it was in B segment, we can see only 100%. You can clearly observe this, only 100% is visible. So it gives a confusion, right? So what is actually happening? So now that particular transparency is clearly visible, and you can see the 3 days when the stock has entered into this equity segment, you can see consistently the delivery percentage is increasing. So you can monitor that. So first day we have seen 57.9% deliveries, second day 64.9, and third day, that is yesterday, we have seen 71.7%. Okay, so very good accumulation was present in it, even though the stock has corrected around 4 to 5%, but that's not a deal. And people who wanted to average, so they got some very good opportunity. So that is what I told, try to search for average opportunities rather than selling any stock, because it requires a little bit of patience if you're holding for long term. So delivery percentage wise we are seeing some very good increment. Okay, so next if we move further and if you see the 1 week chart, so clearly you can see a very good pattern is being observed. So the stock was basically in uptrend. If you go a few weeks back, after that it has given a retracement, again it has gone up, again retested, taken a very good support basically near the 70 rupees level, and now it has showing some positive buying volume at the current level. So the candle itself signifies that, so a volume has increased in this particular level, so that you can clearly see in the volume chart as well. And you can see now next major level is going to be the 90 rupees. So now the stock is completely free, and this particular gap, whatever you can see between 80 rupees and 90 rupees, so that the company will try to fill in the coming sessions. So after filling the 90 rupees gap, we know the all-time high would be clearly visible. So once it crosses that all-time high, so 100 rupees, whatever was a significant target, so that can be achieved by HFCL. So right now 80 rupees, and whatever the gap we have discussed between 80 and 90, so definitely the company will try to fill that. So hold patiently, so don't have any negative impressions that it will come down. So whatever the numbers the company has posted, so they were also pretty good. So next, money flow index, it is near 38, not at all in overbought region, and a very good region for buying. So that also significantly shows that it is at a very good opportunity level. So this is on weekly chart basis. So let's even discuss on daily chart. Okay, so moving further towards daily chart, so here we can see the pole and flag type of pattern. So this is one of our favorite pattern. So there the stock has given very good breakout, it came down. So this is again a very good region. You can see 75, I can take that as a very strong support. So keep this level in your mind, 75 as a very strong support. So from 75 easily you can see a gap, whatever I told in weekly chart, so that is clearly visible till the 90 rupees level. So swing traders, you can watch these particular levels, keeping 75 as a stop loss. You can aim for a target of 90. So first, swing traders. So long term and mid term, so definitely you can expect the stock to cross the 100 rupees level, since because quarterly fundamentals, everything are satisfying for the company. Okay, no more doubts, right? So next, if we see money flow index in daily chart, so it is near 78, pointing in the upside direction. So everything is looking good. So these are all the basic points that I wanted to discuss related to HFCL. So any further queries you can ask in the comment section, and also you can connect with me in Instagram ID is StocksDairyYT. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.